the symptoms only we are coming to know what kingdom the patient belongs to. No? So we feel difficulties that some symptoms of the patient resembles the plant kingdom and some symptoms resemble the mineral kingdom. So we will undergo a confusion. So in that, what can we choose?
Very good question. See, in the symptoms only we can understand the kingdom. So some people will resemble like plants, some will resemble like animal. So there is a confusion, right? This is the question, right? Yeah. So the idea here is about the levels of experience. That is the reason why this particular understanding about levels of experience is important. Now this symptom that the person is trying to tell us, at what level is the person giving it to us? The idea is person normally, normal, I'm talking about normal, people begin with the level of name. That is, I have hypertension. This is level of name. Then they will give you as the symptoms pertaining to hypertension. I get headaches, I get cramps, I get leg pain. So I know I have got my blood pressure which risen up. Right? So these are the symptoms. That is the fact of headache, the fact of hypertension. Right? Then the person will slowly, gradually, being human, we all have emotions. So the person will say, I'm so sad, doc, at such a young age I've got hypertension, I've got a lot of things yet to do. So I do not know whether this is going to be helpful for me to get back to my normal state, or am I going to deteriorate? All these are emotions of the person, right? From that emotions, the person has something called as imagination, what we call it as delusion, the level 4. Delusion, when you cross over, when you go into that experience of the delusion, that is the time when you have to see the kingdom. But at the level of name, at the level of fact, at the level of feeling, and at the level of delusion, if these 4 levels we are trying to see for any kingdom, definitely it can be going wrong, because many of the talks that are happening at this 4 level are all learned talks. I learn it from someone. I have adopted it from someone, from the place where I come from the friend circle that I am with. All these are learned knowledge, because at the beginning, there are a lot of conscious world that is running around, intellectual world. So people talk through their intelligence, right? And therefore what happens is, when a person talks through their intelligence, they might not be using their own words. They might be using the words that they have learned from someone else. Therefore, the idea about seeing for a kingdom in the beginning is going to be disastrous. At the beginning, 80, it's all about acquired traits. If you ask the person, how do you know you have got hypertension? He will bound to tell you that other doctor has told me I have got hypertension. He's bound to tell me these reports suggest that I have got hypertension. He's bound to tell me that through internet I have learned that these are the symptoms, so this is the case of the hypertension. So all this is learned knowledge. So learned knowledge is not going to be helpful. But when you cross the delusion level, when you're into the sensation level, you will hear a completely different language. And that language will be, it is. It is compressing, it is squeezing, it is tightening, it is flying, it is floating, it is light, it is heavy, it is stuck, it is stiff, it is tight. All this it means inherent traits. That means your inborn quality. That means the quality of your vital force. Can we use the word for vital force, he vital force? Can we say he vital force or she vital force? It's a it, na? It's a substance. So in grammar we use for substance something called as it. We don't say she chair, he chair. It's a chair, right? It's a table, it's a chair. So it resembles substance. It resembles the quality of the substance that is coming up from where this person actually belongs to. It's stiff means what? It's stiff, it's tight, it's caught. Means it has to be replaced by anacardia says stiff, anacardia says tight, anacardia says caught. Are you getting this? Is that person doesn't know anacardia say. That person will say it is tight, it's caught, it's stiff. So therefore, when the person narrates this particular language of it, it is a language of the substance from the source from which he is talking or she is talking. So in the beginning, when you are seeing the symptoms, you will see majority of the person will say, I have a headache. I, me, mine are all conscious. When it comes to the language of it means that now I, me, mine is gone. The human nature is gone. Now that it stands for something from the nature that the person is trying to tell you. Are you getting this? This is how you have to understand when to see the kingdom. See the kingdom when the person has crossed over the delusion and the person is talking about sensation. And sensation is not my mind, not my body. It is something abstract. And therefore you will see, my friends, today's world will see abstract paintings have got more value than any other paintings, anywhere you go to see, in any corporate levels. Because it's a world of abstract that people are now trying to seek for. Right? So when a person starts talking abstract, the person will not narrate it as I, me, mine, he, she. It will be all it. Are you there? So therefore, this is how we have to understand from acquired traits at the beginning to it language inherited traits. And in between the center lies they, them, those. Which gives an indication that they, them, those means they are the ones who is doing it. You know, she is the one who is irritating me, the third person. They, them, those is all delusional. Everything that is attested to they, them, those in that conversation of the case is all about their imagination. That something, a world outside them is doing something to them. In their imagination, that they are the ones who are irritating. They are the ones who are making me angry. That person is not giving me that thing which I wanted. All these are their imaginations. And after you ask for that experience of they, them, those, you will get it language. Are you getting? And this it language is minus mind and body. It's beyond mind and body. It is minus I, me, mine. The mind and body. I, me, mine. Minus I, me, mine is it. So when it goes beyond the mind and body, beyond the thinking process, I no more stays. My headache no more stays. This is mine no more stays. What stays is, it is this quality of squeezing, tightening, fitting, whatever it is, press, compressing, are all the quality, abstract quality of that it. And then you have to see what all these qualities are about. Anacardiaceae or Papaveracea or from the reptiles or from the rose, this is what you have to see. Are you getting? So when you put, that is where Hahnemann says, tracing the true picture of the disease. Means what? These quality of it that are in bits and parts, when you put it together, then you see the quality of that it, what that it stands for. This is the tracing the true picture of that it. Are you getting? So this is how now we are putting it more into grammatical understanding of homeopathy.